Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Windows 11 taskbar is not working or has been frozen. If you're using Windows 11 and your taskbar is not responding or it has been frozen, so let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing, you just have to press Ctrl plus Alt plus Delete and then select Task Manager. And now once you have selected Task Manager, your Task Manager will be open. Now in this section, you just have to locate your file explorer. So you can locate it from here. You can directly search for, let's say I'm gonna search for explorer. Now right click on it and then click on restart. So it will restart it completely, your system might be refreshed. So just click on restart. Once it has been restarted, you can see that your system will be restarted and refreshed. So just wait for your taskbar until it's appear. Once your taskbar has been appear, you just have to check if your taskbar is not working or not. So your problem must have to be fixed. If it still not fix your issue, so you just have to open your PowerShell. Just right click on this button and then look for PowerShell from here. Or you can also press Window plus R to open run command. Now here you have to search for PowerShell. Let's say I'm gonna search for PowerShell here. Just click enter. So just press Window plus R and here you have to enter PowerShell.exe. Once you have entered, just click OK. Now your PowerShell is opened. You just have to enter a command here. So I have that command in my text section. There's this command which is sfc slash scan now. So you just have to enter your command here. Then press enter. Here you can see that you must be an administrator. So you just have to run your PowerShell as an administrator. So just go to search and here search for PowerShell. Then right click on it. Click on run as administrator. Click yes. And here you just have to enter your command. Then press enter. Now it will completely scan your system and it will verify if any of your system part is corrupted. It might be fixed in this step. So very first you just have to wait for until this verification is in process. And once the verification has been completed, all of your corrupted system files will be changed or will be fixed. So your issue will be fixed. You will not get the issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.